What's going on, everybody? So today is a very today we are on a very important mission. So before we get to it, we have Simon, yes sir, aka Skygrass. Yeah, and we have Nicole.
Nicole Arbor, what up?
Yeah. So basically, Nicole, tell them.
Well, my new engagement ring, went on vacation the other day. We were shooting a music video for Skygrass. I was climbing on a giant rock to help get a shot. Handed my engagement ring to someone else that was working with us. And when I came off the rock, they couldn't find the ring. They put it in their pocket, they pulled their phone out of their pocket, and the ring went on vacation on the beach.
Sadly.
Sadly, we looked for hours.
Yeah, I can only imagine the heart attack, the mini heart attack.
There was a few little heart attack moments for sure.
Yeah. So we'll go up on mission find the ring. Hopefully we'll find it. We will find it.
Yeah.
And we have from now till nightfall. And then that's enough time. That should be enough time to find a ring.
We're gonna find it.
Yeah. All right. So.
And God knows what else.
Yeah.
And what else? Hopefully we can find 5
rings.
Yeah. Hopefully we can find a couple more rings and other things.
The lords of the rings by the end of the day.
Yeah.
I'm into it.
All right. So we're there. Oh yeah, we're there at Bob Marley Beach. We're doing the walk now on the track. This is a phone track from yesterday.
It's not yesterday, no?
Oh, the other day.
Weekend. I wonder it could be. Same place we drive it.
Yeah. So I take our time, walk to the location now. Yeah. So this is your towel.
That's my towel. That was lost.
Detective has found that too.
Yeah, first find of the day.
that was left
The
by
metal
accident.
detective has found a clue.
Yeah.
Pitch black and everybody started driving, so I was like, no.
So you want it?
Towel.
You can still use it?
I'll grab it after.
You can steam wash it today.
It's true.
Let's start before the sun goes down.
True. I'm still pretty happy about that.
Alright. We are still walking. It's a good look at distance. It's a good look at distance to reach the spot. But we're almost reached still, so yeah.
Side of this ridge.
Oh.
And I discovered that it was missing. Or they might have been on this side too, I'm not really sure.
Alright, so we'll start.
But from here go down and in the corner in between that rock and the mountain.
Alright, so we'll get started from here then.
Yeah.
Alright.
Started.
Let's get cracking.
Started Rodney. You know some.
Next one back.
Back?
Is there another one there or no? No, I think it's this one.
Alright, so.
But they can start if we go through.
So Simon.
Yo.
How you want to start it?
Yo, start it, Rodney.
No, if you say like in the movie one.
Which movie?
When you say, so Bob, how you want to start it?
Oh, I don't remember.
You know I go, are you in the movie?
Not my movie.
In the trailer, you say, how you want to start it? I say, well, I start it from the top or something like that.
Alright, let's do it.
I started from the metal.
Okay. Oh,
I want to start from the metal, alright. Alright, we are about to get started. This is a home of a search. But you want test it up on a ring so I know so I can set the dial exactly for it so that way they will not pick up no
it's white gold, but this part is white gold. I don't know if that will matter.
But what they on it, like which metal?
White gold.
Oh, gold?
Yeah, white gold.
Alright. That's something.
It looks like this.
Okay. Alright.
You want to turn it on first?
Oh, man. Must something
that's where I can feel something.
Are you serious? Cool.
Better give me hand cancer.
Huh? Alright, so yeah, so we're not supposed to pick up anything and make it metal, yeah. I must still hear it.
We say you're not supposed to?
Yeah, may I try first set it out?
Metal, what do you mean?
As in certain material, if it make it a pure gold or pure something, then I can set it to this.
Okay. Yeah, this should
But
be pure
then again, but I'm have it leave it on the wider range so we can think
let's
find other things.
sheet.
We're gonna
Alright.
find everything.
Wait.
I'll get out of the way.
Alright, so you can show the way that you want. I'm just gonna go down here and go
Okay.
Now something else.
Really?
Yeah.
Simon.
from your start. Oh, there's rats everywhere.
Wait, I will make sure I set another. It kind of faint, so maybe I know it won't be so deep, you know?
I don't know.
Cool.
Alright, take one more scoop.
I don't know. And the next thing, a bit move around.
Nope, nothing yet.
But then if you get the heat, we should find something, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like even if it's a...
But it can be something deep, you know? Come have the sensitivity on high. So it can be something deep. Like see that? Money.
Oh, there you go.
Yay!
First, well not first one of the day, but you
It's a
know?
good sign.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Alright, so we're on to it.
Money!
Wait, let me show you. Let me show
Thank
you.
you. Put it on
Yeah.
there.
So this is good sign that the metal detector is working. And
Yes, we are detecting
yeah.
Nice. I shall hold our treasures.
riches.
I won't give it to anybody else.
Alright people, so we're off to a good start. The detector is working.
Alright, I'm gonna head down to...
Yeah man. Find a knife blade.
Huh?
Find a murder weapon.
Oh gosh. A shank.
Damn.
Thank you very much.
I guess we should take this litter off. Where you normally put this stuff?
Oh shit, I forgot to walk with my
We shouldn't
bucket.
put it back on the beach at least.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that could hurt somebody's foot.
Alright, I'm gonna drop it in a...
Throat.
Yeah, I was trying to reach one. Hold on.
But now I have a bucket now, but I'm forget to walk with it.
Yeah, let's do it so you can do it. The park, no?
Yeah. Yeah, so I can go and do the thing, me I'll go and search along this line. Alright people, so I cut the video until I find something again.
The first place you pulled this phone out of the pocket is over there.
Yeah, let's go there.
Okay.
Let's go right there. Alright, so right outside the general area where where the person might have lost the ring. I got a look about just about it not strong. Alright. Look, okay, so alright.
Aquaman again.
Yeah, so I get a buzz right there, so.
But then.
I'm trying to take a big scoop with.
It's not that deep. As in.
Oh, yeah, that's not that deep. Alright. That. And then.
If you find it, you just kill it. There's a mash up.
Oh, so. Alright. Take time and dig it. Yeah. But something should be there. Come get a. Let me see.
Like good reading?
Yeah.
Treasure!
Yeah, so get a good reading. Oh, wait, move your finger. That finger there.
Oh, you mean like with me?
Yeah, it says something there as well.
Right there, right there.
Right
you
here.
were there first. Here?
Right here.
Let me do it.
So move it around.
Yeah, so. Oh,
What is that?
here's the culprit.
What is it?
Not sure what this is.
Gus.
Piece of iron, brother.
Yeah. I'm gonna have high hopes that just appear, you know. I'll check again. Yeah, it's gone now. This was the culprit.
Okay, I'll move it.
Come on.
Throw it.
Oh, that's it. Alright. Alright. Yeah. I see how much I that's what.
Yeah. You want to take off your cuffs? You could have just go right as a. Or at least.
No, this good, yeah.
Probably a bit turns.
So I'm gonna find this big knife. Look at it.
Oh, knife blade?
Yeah.
What is it? Another murder
Mr.
weapon?
Tetanus.
Yes.
Why Mr. Tetanus?
Another murder weapon.
Murder Beach. No, I'm not putting my prints on
What
that.
era is this from? Last week. Oh yeah, it's like a hunting knife.
Yeah.
Can see it used to be serrated up here. And then it probably had that little slit in the middle.
Yeah.
That just eroded from there. And the hook here. What is this, like a rope cutter slash bottle opener? Rather thick blade though.
You don't want to get the full
See
movement
what
spot there?
rots your teeth.
Alright, so we are still here searching. What you say, pick up something there, sir? Oh yeah. Yeah, for narrow in point. Narrow in point. Let me see if we can find it.
Right
Right,
there.
so. Alright. Alright. Search it again in the meantime. Gone. Alright, so I might have it in this. When if I ring this. This might be it, you know. This might be it. Nope. Oh wait, see there. Here's the culprit. They may have tricky.
Yeah, the amount of sardine can people bring
Yeah,
out
they
here.
think they're tricky, wicked man. We'll get a solid buzz from the metal detector, and they will dig up a piece of metal tin.
But nothing in the detector.
So to detect it, man. Can I find it? So to yes, yeah.
It take long though. I passed about 5 times.
Maybe we should angle it there, man.
People, tin food not good for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're still there searching, as you can see.
The sun already set.
Just the horizon line alone we see right now. So we're still search till it get dark before we call it a night or a day. In order to find the ring, I will probably come back the next day and search even longer. Yeah, but that's what we do so far. You know, we do a whole heap of search.
Even though we have to search all of this, we still not find it yet.
But it's out there somewhere, I hide. Nicole.
Yes.
We are still yet to find the ring.
We're working on it. I still believe a little bit.
Yeah, it's here. It's just we need.
But where? We need 5. We need 5 of you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A proper way to do this is once you select the area,
Yeah.
just get like a stick and just border off each section.
Oh.
And you know exactly where you look.
Yeah.
And then check each section.
Really.
And then knock it the next day. That's what.
No, that you have to come up and do that today.
Huh?
And you have to come up on your free time, come do that today.
I'm
Gone? Piece of metal again.
see there.
Piece of metal.
That makes sense.
We'll put it in where I find.
Yeah, but for pay for this.
Yes, try. Yeah. Alright people, so this is about everything I'm gonna find. Not everything, but most things. Some things maybe throw away randomly, and some things maybe keep randomly. We'll find a whole heap of them thing here. Things like this. A whole heap of them I find, I'll just show it here. I'll keep some so I can show. We'll find the good old metal weapon. For the next one there.
6 7.
One more there, so I'm gonna throw a couple. Anything unique, I want $10, a new $10, and the old $10. So the old $10, yeah. And everything else just random. I don't know what them things are be. Yeah. So that's a wrap. We are tired. We never find the ring, but we'll give it our best.